One of the biggest struggles that I had when I got started with affiliate marketing was that I thought I can do everything on my own. I was spending hours a day on YouTube trying to figure out how to put all the pieces together. And I spent about 3 to 4 months watching YouTube videos and I got nowhere. The reason why I spent so many months watching YouTube videos was because I thought I can do everything on my own and I didn't need any help. After spending those 3 to 4 months watching YouTube videos, I started to realize that this is something that I'm actually going to need help with if I want to get results. And that's when I actually invested into myself and learned step by step from a structured program. And back then, my mindset was, if it's not free, then I'm not interested in it. And that's exactly how I spent 3 to 4 months watching YouTube videos, getting no results. What I didn't realize back then is that if you're going to start a business, there is an investment required. Whether it's investing into tools that'll help you run your business or learning from somebody who has already accomplished what you're trying to do. Now, if you're somebody who spent hours watching YouTube videos trying to figure out how to get started with affiliate marketing or get results and you need help, make sure to follow me and also leave a comment.